Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye
bye. Good evening to you all. Happy weekend. Happy weekend to you all. Happy weekend, lovely weekend to each and every one of you. Please help me to share. Help me to share. We are just going to make a quick video tonight. So help me to share. It's weekend. I know everybody wants to go and bubble and share food and also enjoy the weekend with your family. But sometimes we have to say what is in our mind. Somebody like me, whenever I watch things that are going on or that is going on in this social media space, I shake my head. Really, I shake my head. Why I say that I shake my head? Most especially for our things that are going on or that is going on in this social media space. Sorry about that. Especially our Edo. Other people might be doing it, but other people's business is not my business. Especially other states, which I know, Ima Bright, I greet, good evening. Which I know is none of my business. But when you say Edo, we are supposed to be a pride of the nation, as the heartbeat of that nation. We as an Edo man, we're supposed to have respect. But I don't know where we lost it. The Edo men. I don't know where they lost it. They lost their value. I don't know where they lost their dignity, their respect. I don't know where they lost it. I don't know where they lost it, because why I'm saying that I don't know where some of Edo men, they lost their value, their respect in this social media space. I don't even know. Because when you look the way some men, they are behaving on social media, you will even cry. Sometimes you will even regret that, oh, are these people from Edo State? Ni both of the social media. Disrespecting women. Papa super great. Good evening, sir. Disrespecting women, calling women names, men for that matter. Men for that matter. Edo men for that matter. Disrespecting women, disgracing our Edo women, calling them all kinds of names. Calling our Edo women all kinds of stupid, disrespectful names, disgracing them. Meanwhile, you are born out of a woman. A woman gave birth to you. Oh, what you were. Oh, what you were. But you will come out on live video. You will start saying disrespectful. I greet you. Thanks. It's smelling a small casa. Hey, well, why we mure? Oh, come baba. It's way. I greet you, Gadekbe. I don't know those days that they conquer everywhere. Can we now work with such men who are disrespecting women? They chest out, they bring their chest out. They were able to conquer. They can, when they say somebody, a place is an empire, you will know, you will feel the greatness of the men from that empire. You will know that those men are great men. You will know that they are warriors. But they don't disrespect women. But I'm shocked. It is surprising, disgraceful. Disgraceful where it be edo all ladian with social media do am who edo boto. Udo tinya igbi agia. Eri ohona, eri akaro hona wia. And some of these married women you are insulting, they are in husband's house. Oh, we are no way basowe, adazok be adazero, no masowe, or viavi hona yowa. But you will come out because of the lunatic you are. You will come out. You start disrespecting women. You start disgracing them, calling them all sort of names. Erian dog big biaga. Oh, one dog big biaga. Me while visual wear away. Me while one where you want away. Me while tin wear away. Even some more. Me while maybe you wear away. No dog big biaga no way. But you have the guts, you now come out. You will come out, you start disrespecting married women, calling them all sort of names. At that same time where I want it. Who are we muyi ani egbe? Who are we muyi huoni egbe? Wua, o muyavi honi egbe. Wua. Calling women different kinds of names. Eriakaro huona huya. But akaranu wema ebege. Wagi ya ego huya Mini maybe no go wewa. Emi no huya so when wema tami dagbo. That is what you now voice out to another person. Because it is what you are experiencing in your own room. It is what you are experiencing for your own wife. That is what you are not telling the world to know that this person, because if I don't know you, you don't know anything about me. But when you now come out and start saying all sorts of things, that I know that, okay, I don't even know this person, but he's voicing his anger out. You will know automatically that no experience your other voice at the bomb. Because if you are not voice experiencing such thing, you are not experiencing such thing from your own wife or from your own girlfriend, you cannot call another woman a mother, a wife, or a sister, a daughter, where eria harage wia, eri oge wia, eri biagiano. It is because they experience from your own wife. It is what you are calling to another person. It is what you believe that or a girlfriend working or or marriage. Because when I hear where I don't first talk on daddy. A sweet and chingom. Not dog pounds and dollars. Euro. You cannot compare pounds and dollars in order to pounds and dollars with another 1 cup of rice. Yahoo. Ne bus driver with conductor yahueji. You cannot compare that. So no matter the work the way but heken urujine. Iyana when yana be la wodo. You are supposed to respect them. But a domain will come out. They will come out, they will start disgracing themselves. Yes, one way being a boto. Yes, one more panic being a boto. Eri wo wana wia. Eri wono na bite. Eri wono na wono na. Oh, one wema love yake. Mwagi ya when you know mukia go wia because all of how we wa no. And you know uzu suwe. Nega doju beba buebu wa. Where do tagging on my way? Maybe obo how a boy ke processing where they are tiny. Joy agreed. The process that you are now saying such thing, I believe that same process of where you take a correction where okay, I want anywhere because they know when we are. Where can I do where or mother no where my hen, no where my by with your dohame where a harage we are. Oh, who a can wear Larry where we are. Emi ni juwe muhia where we are. Emi no woku we muhia where we are. Emi no view we no we muhia where we are. But a dega mu uya whoever way. Evani bonak buwa any boom. Evani wa any buna jun ya sefa. Evani wa any boom wa ya jun ya sefa. Dego whether they way mini ye, whether they jodoni ye, where do I jun where yakba misikan, ije a barrier verioni. It's fine, it's no problem. We all will know where you are a virgin. Everybody will not know that you are a virgin. You don't do such thing. But the longer you are not doing such thing and you are disrespecting women, it shows you are low life. You've got no self-esteem. You have no regard. You have no remorse for yourself. You have no respect. And you have no dignity. Where any capacity. Where any level. It shows you are not human. Any man that is doing it. Because I'm not avec nonsense. Now don't beg him me the social media. A man that was supposed to talk on issue. Normally those days when women are quarreling, men will come, they will give them advice. Those are women talk. Those are women talk. But you as a man, you don't need to go to that level. A bottom pity where any. For you now as a man start disrespecting women with your own mouth. And you have women, you have girlfriend, you have wife, you have sisters, you have mothers, you have auntie, you have cousins, nephews, and you will come out publicly. I believe the hygienic situation many women a lot of women in Africa country, near Africa, they are using toilet a pig toilet. So you cannot compare those people now with the ones in Oreman where Eminia compared to. Oh, no, do when any will you not compare it with a bus driver, a conductor, move where the yeki motor? Can you now compare? Baba Kingsley, it's way. Can you now compare those now that you are not saying now with the ones in a bus driver, a conductor, or they only tomatoes or a shoemaker that they are not using back of door? Can you compare them? Even at that, you are still supposed to respect them as a woman. Jesus Christ. You are still, that is your duty to respect. Give them that honor. The 9 months honor. The labor pain, give it to them. Because any man that I find out that any man, because I watch a lot of people all say, I respect Dr. Oguname so much. May he so rest in peace. Dr. Oguname never disrespect anybody in the social media. John, I greet. Good evening. Dr. Oguname never disrespected any woman in this social media. I've seen a lot of men that have not passed one insult to women. Some of them, you see the low life that they have. Just comment. One single comment. Instead of them to now address the issue with that person, you will see them insulting the father, insulting the mother, insulting the family. It shows you have mental problem. Mental health is real. It shows you are depressed. It shows you are sick in the brain. It shows you have no regard for your wife. It shows you have no regard for your family, your own mother. Oh, we are not disrespecting who on social media, especially who on Ecuador. 80% of buildings in Edo State are owned by those women. How dare you? You come out, you disrespect them, you disgrace them, you insult them, you call them all sort of names. Meanwhile, when one block you over, when one block, you have no block. You don't even have, the block is even too small, is too big. Because you are going to employ laborers to mold the block for you. Come on, the lowest, a bag of cement, 4,000, you cannot buy. But you will come out on your live video, you start insulting women, disrespecting them, calling them all sort of names. Who are you? Who are you? Insulting people that normally calling them all sort of names. That person. But anything body, eri ngore, eri obigo, eri love ye kene, eri wayamwe buwa disgrace buwa. You see a married man, all lads, we ohonoro word on ye love ye kene. Is that a man? A married man, all lads, oh ohonoro word eri ye go oh here when you do amene. Oh we are money. Only ok be an war. Is equally as useless. Because I ok be agbon. Ok be an ere will not go to that level. Many, some of them, they got this useless and dirty behavior. You cannot even talk to somebody without calling that person name, without insulting that person's parents. You cannot give advice without insult. That is why when many go to Nigeria, they are hiding because they've committed a lot of atrocity. They've committed a lot of atrocity. Please help me to share this video. It is very, very important. They need to listen to it and change their way, because when I insult where you insult a married woman, that same place you insulted your mother. Because and moreover, is that not shameful? It is shameful. It is disgraceful, disgusting. No. Social media. Oh, wakaro huya. Eri love ye ken eri oga agbama mekwa. The truth, we have to start correcting a lot of men, because maybe many or careful. You will just come out. Where you go away, your doame. Meanwhile, why am on? O mani ga yamwe bok bwebo du gele gunye we mi odoame why tie o mani ga yamwe bok bwebo de akari gele huyabo wa ga tie e boy things no robo hu we gbebu wa o emi nu we mi ebo be girlfriend iwe. You are not trying to put it in somebody else, because no we mukia you cannot correct them. The one that you have, you cannot correct them. So instead of you now to correct the error you have at home, you are now voicing it out on somebody else. Oh, maybe a boy and do go na guavenyana. Wage, or walking on ruo waga he dojoga young one a bewe or makeni akboring. You don't use your anger on somebody else. When I am engine no knocking, edo jajo mare be. Edo ya logo mare, ejini nuwe mukia, ona noko yene. Ejini nina vi noko yene, edo ya jo mare be. You live your own life. If somebody talk to you, some of them just normal comments, small comments like this, you go see insult. I insult her, I insult TJ, I insult a family, I insult Omo, I don't at your gun, I don't at enemy. If you insult somebody's child, and no one in when at your bonny, and you have a child, automatically, that child can, that cost will remain in your own house. Because when at your bonny, you have children in that house, and when lay cost in your marry, no gurowa. That cost automatically remains in that place. Because when I get there are things that one sometimes you have to stay away from. Like, just talk to that person. Talk to that person instead of you now calling that person different kind of names. Any mark barrier though. But only a business but we as an empire, great beneath a kingdom, mame culture, mame ilele do, make ke u book bia no ro no yo wa Although you have few nugie or whoever no raw water, disrespecting them, disgracing them, calling them all sort of name. Meanwhile, automatically you are also bringing your wife down. Because the way you now insult another woman, you are also insulting your wife. That insult is going to your wife. If you don't know, the same insult is also going to your own children, your female ones. A comment, you will just see some people. Social media. Just one comment can just send some to airfire. Little comment we just send them to airfire with social media. Little comment. That comment you can also address it. You can address it and tell the person, okay, delete your comment or I block you. Finish. If that person now insults your parents or he insulted you, then you throw the insult back to that person. Or one who work me as, for example, I'm a female presenter. Because those days, a lot of SSA, they do come, they insult me. I tell them, I will not insult you, but whatever you call me, I'm a woman. Have it, you have mother, you have sister, you have wife, you have daughter. So they are equally also part of it. Area one say, I don't go and start saying, oh, go on better, go on bishwe, or go on one or go on one. At the time you are doing that, it shows you are not responsible. It shows you are not responsible. It shows you have no pride. When a dignity make way, when a self-esteem. Because when you want people to respect you, always carry yourself with dignity. Give yourself the respect first. Because this respect, you also yourself, you have to work towards it. You have to work towards it for others to also see that a man na have an occasion or a woman na have an occasion. Whatever you want to be in this life, you work towards it. The same way whenever you are going to work, you are also working for your money. You are working for your destiny. But if you want respect, you have to earn it. If you want people to value you and give you that honor that you want, work for it. Don't demand for it. Work for it. Because when you are demanding for it and you are not working for it, nobody will give you that respect. Nobody will give you that honor. Because you are still the same lunatic in Agmoya and Weji. You are still the same wayward person in Agmoya and Weji. So how can you now command respect when you are not putting yourself in that position? Where man win a yeke na ana dori ujinwe. Where when are you ujinwe? Baya ujinwe. Anybody giving you the respect or trying to honor you, it shows they themselves, they don't even know what they are doing. Anybody trying to give you respect, whereby you don't know how to respect yourself. A respect in a Igbo vano. Because my grandfather those days, he used to say, no those that knows the value of kola nut are the ones you will also give kola nut to. So anybody that doesn't know the value of kola nut, you don't need to give him that respect. For a man to come out, a married man or a man that have given birth to children, you will not come out to start disrespecting women. Maybe if your own sister have the chance to come, she will do worst. Maybe if your own mother have the chance to come, she will do worst. Maybe your own wife did worst. You cannot compare another big pounds and dollars with another big bus driver and conductor. They are not the same. The capacity is too different. You cannot compare them. No younger ya before flatty or I be no younger ya 1 cup of jollof rice. You cannot compare them. So such people, you respect them and give them that honor. But meanwhile, most of you men were in Nigeria, were here, those local champions here. You will not come out to start disrespecting married women, insulting married women, calling them all sorts of names. Who are you? That you would disrespect women. and you think it makes you a man, you are not a man. You are a coward. Ama bio, I know. Ama bio because emina ya bio ni o te keke na gbisan yo, agbe kokon yo, ne gbomo be nu weje, ne ye latin abo. Wana bi bi ani mu iho jaga. Those days, men they don't normally insult women. If women are even talking to them, they will say, I will not talk to you, but let me just leave you and report you to your husband. Even some of the men, the women will be talking. The men will say, I won't talk to you, but for me to talk to you, I will talk to your husband, because men to men. Men to men. But no. Okwogagi Google gwa. Where Wahala in live video. Why are you worried? Why are you worried? Why are you worried? Why are you worried? Out of all these men that have stayed long in this social media, Dr. Oguname never one day disrespect anybody. Be you anything, Dr. Oguname. Okay, no, my brother. You are a man. Out of all these men that have stayed 4 or 5 years in the social media, Dr. Oguname have never disrespected anybody. Mame agrees. Big kiss, I greet my dear sister. Evans, I greet. Good evening. Happy weekend to you. It is good for men to work, even if women are calling themselves all sort of name. If women are calling themselves, when women are quarreling, the men supposed to come and be the safe haven for them to fall into. But this time around, they are the one that will not bring. Hey, akara no we majo mo ya en gba me mini no we me wo wa o gba me. We should all say the truth here. No we me wo wa o gi gian me kwa o gi gbite no gi no na me kwa o gi wia because emi no we majo no we ma wo ya en go gian me wo ya en we ge no because o hama gi we to we la dian wo wa but rather we ado jajo ma be gbe. You are automatically sending a signal to your own wife or your own girlfriend. When you are not pointing one finger to somebody else, the remaining 4 fingers is coming back to you. They are coming back to you. Men that disrespect women, they are not men, they are cowards. Any man that will on live video on social media and start calling women different kinds of names, they are not men. They are not men. They are not supposed to be men. They are cowards. They are low life. Either you are young or you are old. Any day as a man that you disrespect women, or a different names but it is not your own right as a man that you call yourself. Evans, thank you too. A man that you called yourself, that you are a man, you are not supposed to go to that level of the women level. Because I want him money who na hear me. Sometimes I dey surprised when I would see some men, they come social media, they can't do saga. Iwa heiwe enama be yense. Ihu awa yezo ihu abo wezona. Ikbiya. The thing go come they shame me. Man go just come live video every day. He have no other topic. When your daughter, other than this woman. So ya no more. Yo honoro word. Because we go. But when you take insult in and you took it to your own family, your mother, your daughter, your girlfriend, and your wife, including your own sister. Because whenever you disrespect one woman, have it in your mind that you are disrespecting your own mother. Because the woman you are disrespecting today, she will also become a mother tomorrow, if she's not one yet. The woman you are disrespecting today will also become a mother tomorrow, a wife to a man like you tomorrow, or a girlfriend to a man like you tomorrow. It's one of the reasons some men need to shut up. in this social media arena. They need to shut up. E gbavi biavere oni ote wa keke we ihu awa miya wo deni we ni arina miya. Emi ni ya mo bo mi ya gele gbiyan. Iya ya gele gbiyan ya guyan no. O wi e ba kara o gele ya gbo no. No mi na bere we o gele huya. How can you as a man you come out you start disrespecting women? We no gbame, we no ku, we gay, we no wanna, we no wanna. What is your business with women private parts? What business do you have with female private parts? What issue do you have there? But when I get any yane, there mu we figwa yoto ya yin no wa igbarowa. Or we figwa yoto ya agwale no aya zigo jikin avo vo gia sonu mi na gbeko. Eke eva anywhere where we are. Miami be so very only because ugbeso oyehwe moma when one is not looking at the way some men behave, especially we are not even women. If we are they will come out. We gay, we no ku, we no gbame, we no wonona, we no vada. Iwa laho ona wa gbame kwa giving women where Ijoma disrespecting a married woman, someone's mother, the mother. Baba, I greet. Good evening. The person you are disrespecting today, the child she might even become the mother of a president tomorrow. She might even become the mother of a prime minister tomorrow. And you think that person will now see your video that you've disrespected? Happy weekend, Baba. The person will now see those videos that you use in disrespecting his or her mother. Ukba. Edo we aembe de bie gianyisi. Nare mi ena nyiho. Eke nuwe larene, eke nana biomonu wene, na laya biomonu wene. We ado anju no zan evada because omani ne the same idea nuwe rene. Emma, ikbiye do wa gbere yiwo, Edo wo huo bioba, o huo bie nigi, o huo bie ya, o huo bie Jesus Christ. You come out as a man, you disrespect women. Uwe no kuya ata unuya bigo. Ije itwae happy weekend long time. Iya ata unuya bigo. How can you as a man or don't men that we know before that these are people that have dignity and don't men have respect? Then if we don't have respect, how can we not call ourselves an empire? Huh? How can we not call ourselves an empire? A big biaro guname, ik bia bagba. Erovio bia. Omae ladian de dene de. Don't insult anybody. Many of them like that. But you see the low life one, the low life ni mwere boto, ni maemi ni yan uwebo. You don't even know that the woman you are disrespecting, maybe because of her comment or she didn't support you today. You might go and look for something from her. Where we on yafisini? Ubibiade. That is why sometimes when people write comments, just look. Sometimes delete the comment than for you to be provoked. Because you don't even know who is hiding behind that comment. Who owns that account? You don't know the person. Where I return where you love here. But you don't know the person. It is not good for men to disrespect women, no matter what. That you as a man, you will not come out, you start calling them all sort of name. Social media na. Iya jono ya mwa wale likwedo ya ni bon egbene ve social media na. Men, we are supposed to advise women. I believe that's supposed to be the men's work on this social media. Where we though women, the two women are quarreling. The men supposed to say, okay, let me be the building, the bridge builder here. Ona we not by we or a hoina we won't equate anything. No where, akara no where, enemy no where. Where as a man for you to go so low. To go so low, am I where I be who na we live video rock by my 88 being I beg my people, since all our women for this social media, una don't see any one of the women where you don't call themselves that name. Area Harona wea, area Henokba wea, error wea. Other than our men are coming out to disrespect our women. Wa when an enemy ya dota, e boya yak bele yakwa. Ave manek bok beni huemu. Some coward men. Eminia experience ibuwa. You don't have voice that you love with that bono mavi. But they cannot say it to their own wife or their own girlfriend. They cannot correct. The fear will not allow them. No bokia you be bad beya. Or on a girlfriend they cannot say it to their own wife or their own girlfriend. But rather they choose to voice it out to somebody else. Our men are known for warriors, respectable men. Aek bi edoji. Amae maje ikbiani do amu iku ogboto. Amae bi edoje ikbiani do a disgrace iku. I'm supposed to use English, but I will not because it's too deep. The shame and disgrace in ikbiadoriene iku the social media now is too much. If the women didn't call themselves such name, you have no right as a man. Both men. If you have a sister, your sister will say, I don't want my brother to suffer. Let me bring my brother here. But we're to we're winner, not don't winner. A office job. You will not be happy when somebody is disrespecting her. Because of great comment or because of my day by then enemy enemy or if you don't marry, if your wife or your girlfriend is not a virgin, shut up and zip it up. If you know you are not the one, not this virgin or your girlfriend or what this virgin, you better shut up and zip up. You are nobody. Oh, web this virgin or are you? But so long what this virgin we ma onwe gbedi no kalera, uma onwe bus driver no kalera, uma onwe police or a soldier or an enemy ya no kalera. It's better you zip it up. Why jo bu wa ya ademi nu wa ma gwa lo nebeki, why do ajaje ma be gbedi bai? When you keep on disrespecting women, meanwhile, a man will come and marry your own daughter, your female daughter, tomorrow. And that your daughter, it's possible the person that you are disrespecting today, the woman you are disrespecting today, the son will now become the boyfriend of your daughter tomorrow. You think the mother will be happy? Or well over here, Louis men who yak book back on, no fear for. Louis men yak book back on, bon for. Or avec bon, avec mu. E me we bona man aye McDonald's ya mo so ye iwebwe. Ma common McDonald's. Common McDonald's. Or €3 no ro. But when your children you are doing such thing, and you have children, and your children they are watching you, you are not sending a good message. You are not sending a good message to your male children. You are not sending a good message to your female children, because they know their mother is there, or they know their girlfriend is there. A baby mama making a boyfriend, they have children together. But when you start disrespecting women and your children are hearing the names that you are calling all these women, you are building another wicked generation tomorrow. That those male children will not have respect for women. Because they already know that Erin respect in who. And most children like that, they end up as a failure. They end up as a failure. Ihu ajinya wewa. Ewe bona nonya wa mai mikbe no mara ugbasan or divorce ugbasan. Because e won nyime. O kbe no mara ugbasan or divorce ugbasan. Because o horok ba ro no ogwetia. No woman want to stay with a lunatic. Just because in Africa we have that African culture, that's why some women they prefer to stay. In Ariojao, they just love to stay there. But that a man, a father, or one but una ame girlfriend in respect women. Respect women. Because we to bu we ma kino wo kan we ka do. We to bu we ma kino girlfriend we ka do. We to bu we maybe o manu we fiu pe gye ni o mani ma ewe gbe kino we accuse her of. A woman we ma lo ke we wa harare wuya. We mi no mu kan go. We ge no. Eri ogba mekwa. Wo ri ja en ogba mekwa e. We gwero wa. We live care. We stay care. Wo ya he wo gba mekwa e. Nu we mi no nu we me no. Sometimes you just say your truth where oh me mu wa ma. E ina do yok makpa ni yo ma be gbe bi bai. Ikbeado wa fionye mu wa werie. Ikbeado wa fionye mu wa werie. Because unyimu wa ni bunve social media na. Ogbi won. Unyimu wa ni bun. Ogbi won oye seleke. E giare. Wa me respect. Wa me value ne gbuwa. Because okbi ano me value ne gbe. E mo huere jara. E mo ho jara. Bon we agwa li jobo. We ibu ihu ade we wa wi jobo me. E bo vyo ye gbe ni. E bo ami serien. E ba khara ave mi serien. E mi no keke ni bi ado. Wa gar yu jinek buwa. E mi no keke ni bi ate guan. Iya guan. Normally, the men that we are supposed to even be the builders in this social media. E mi no so no we do ya fe obi bi ado na te keke na na ahun. They give advice, they correct, but rather okay wano. They are the one no temi no makeke ni atawo no. They are the one disrespecting women. They are the one disgracing our women. When you don't mo hwe dogi botone da onu wewe no vie gon ya re. When you do joja no hwe done da onu wewe no vie gon ya re e ma ve ya re. E gbo etimeso ni ve on me o vie gon o we ya re mi no tun wata. Maybe a sovoya in done. Oh, we are having not water. There were no mado big guy. Ijobanoa, Igbonoa. Ugbagwani redoni demani revani. E nina no wadua I who doina. If ye going always say. If ye going always say. But manivia do my work be my yada, my work be my yatete, my make mage e vie ronve do ya disrespect ihuima. Wa reda deni ya fe no sunu ve social media na that if vie ron ya me respect ni vie do. In ya give me respect no wa no kwa hima. If vie do on soin mi ya fe. Ik bia dongi maswa ya fe awo nyagabo ligi ya no khyawe yana. All this disrespectfulness in no lele ya khana. It is from the men, the lunatic ones in a way. You disrespecting women, it doesn't mix that you are talking, you are a good talker. It shows you are an imbe. Where it shows you have low self-esteem. Any man that disrespects any woman, call women all sort of name. In Africa, men don't do that. Men don't do that. We are men that came from culture, well-grounded culture. But in our live video, okay, one. Akarae we are. Oye we gbedin. Avec biagia. Avec enemy. Avec poniro wodonoge. Wherever we soy. We soy. Aga when we fen bo yo or we gan certain thing. We ga geleve ko sef. Ayagi wo hun. Sometimes emina maya gu wo hun. Wena ko be soy. Every time. Every time. Because do where no matter about you ki. Wear soy but ya gi wo hun. It's also like that sometimes. That's why sometimes one have to be careful. Or if there are some people that some of us have seen in Benin. But in today, I don't say it out because it's none of my business. It's none of my business. But for you as a man coming out to disrespect women, downgrade women, call them all sort of names, it shows you are not a man. You are a coward. It shows you are a nobody. You are a coward. You have no respect. When self-esteem in a boy, when dignity in a because you as a man insulting another married woman, automatically you are passing that insult to your own mother, to your own wife, your own sister, your own daughter, because they are also female like the one you are abusing. Nuwetie dadeni, nuwetie wege, uenogbame uenogin. We need to learn how to respect people. We need to learn how to respect people. Hey, so just little comment, you just see them, they start vibrating here for little comment. It shows you have no self-esteem. Because we have a self-esteem. Comment will not send you to hellfire. Comment will not make you to lose your life. But you see them overreacting because of little comments. Little comments. There are days you agree with that person. There are days you don't agree with that person. Even if so our miredet. Somebody might not be giving you like all true. There are people that don't even like what you are saying at that moment. It doesn't mean that they don't like what you will be saying in another day. So it is their own opinion. Their own right as at that moment, you give it to them. But you see some people, oh my God. Et so wa gbagbe wa gan yen so an jump over one table yen so an ti agbera agbeje amaten pe edoje ni ihuona ti hawe. It's supposed to be the main duty to correct our women. If the men on social media, they are the one correcting the women, instead the men are joining the group. If the men were supposed to be correcting the women, I don't think this social media will be filled with saga. But a man that will want to come out and correct, where one beg a little comment, one comment, or one can send there fire. Ogo agbera, ogo agbujue, ovio meme, ovien enemy, for just comment. Ote do boizo. That is where they messed it up. It shows you are not prepared for what you are doing. It shows you cannot take the heat. When you can take the heat of what you are doing, you don't shake. Just like my last video, ni unina no we muge kologwa. He ran out. Did I come? I talked to him again. I didn't talk to him. I don't want Bobokanu's opinion. I left him where he is. He can keep on crying to Jerusalem. I've said my own. I've said my own. But whatever anything is none of my business anymore. Because I know that is not me. So maybe ni abo igbaruwo wa or he feel me give edere oni. That is just me. Sometimes we need to learn how to work on our own self. It might be difficult. Some comments can provoke you to say what you don't have to say. Rather, block that comment, delete it. Delete the comment and move on. Than for you disrespecting yourself. Because me comment ya he buy. When no do mo egbo no se egbo yama. He buy because I'm not be comment we ma hon. When no do se egbo we yama. Wo kan ri bere we o me social media. It's just the plain truth. Know the comment writer. Because nobody might know the comment, the person that write that comment. But you that is getting wacko about just ordinary comment or just ordinary talk. When you are rebelling, warimu egbo egboto. Weri rimojine egbo ererio. So if you want to be respected, respect yourself. Respect yourself. Give yourself that self-esteem. Give yourself that self-esteem. Emi nu where agawuda where to take care. You know there are some people there are some people but they might think they are smart. They think they are smart but they are not smart. They are just dumb. They are just dumb. You now will be giving somebody heat every day. But the moment they will not give you one bullet, you will run mad. It shows the nobasis there. The omendula umblangada. Because when a chaos yanuweka create yoto, it is somebody that took the heat. It is somebody that took the bullet. But you, come on one bullet, you cannot resist it. You are running mad. Yeah, man. I don't know. Because on here dot here, I win in Agbega fear. When I make money, maybe on my way they don't move. Then you also take that hit that you've given to somebody else. You now resist it and feel it. Look at how it is. Because we are anywhere we can zibane or mavena dove zuweba. Don't talk. Just swallow the bitter pay. Swallow a bitter leaf, a boy wono 1 minute. They get to area ba womo gile yalu womogi. They get to wave lueverioni. It might also calm your BP down. It might also calm your high blood pressure down. It might also calm your sugar diabetes down that very day. Shove it. Because I don't like men that are disrespecting women. When you know you have sisters, you have mother, you have wife, you have even girlfriend. Where he don't hear bono hone do mo botone. Ederamu where ya agwale bulukele no where ya zeve boko. Urere bo wetiene gbueni. Ebotiene gbueni. If such men, if they have girlfriend, their girlfriend supposed to punish them. Their wife supposed to punish them because can we not disrespect whoever? We not disrespect whoever. Only who no enegbe. It was ni buma enegbe because kenana mama boto. You as a woman, if a woman is disrespecting another man, and you as a man, you are not supporting that woman to be disrespecting another man, automatically you don't even know what you are doing also. Eva wena we mwegbu wek boto. Evans, you see what I'm saying now? I said when a man is disrespecting a woman, and maybe that man have wife or girlfriend, and the girlfriend didn't say, don't say that. Because where you are disrespecting these people, calling them name, is the same you are doing to me. Because I myself am a woman. Whenever a man disrespects any woman, he disrespects the old women. And when I mean America are protesting, everybody will start protesting. Or every women will start protesting. until the government will hear. That is supposed to be. You cannot, as a man, disrespect another woman, and meanwhile a woman is there, and that woman will be joining you. No, it is not done. Any women that support such men, because they will not be telling them, right on, continue. Bella agreed. They will not be telling them, right on, continue. You are doing it good. Meanwhile, a man is disrespecting you. He's disrespecting a female like you. So please, I beg you, don't do it. Don't do it. It is not something that you have to do. I beg you, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't support any man whenever they are disrespecting any woman. I beg you. Don't support. It is not good. Because when you are not supporting them, the only way you let them know that this thing you are doing is not good. Maybe they will now go back and realize that, okay, I'm not supposed to do this thing. Women don't like it. Because when I'm boto, ni huwa vie love and like yo we abego bia disgrace ho o ma ve heke eke ni huovi ho na gbina. You as a man who do have love and like yo, it is not good. O ma heke e mi no gba that you, when two women are insulting themselves, you as a man, you will not come, you start putting love and like. It is also not good. Just stay away from it. Stay away from it. Let them insult themselves because they are women. Likewise, the men, if the men are men, they are insulting themselves. You as a woman, if you can come in and advise them to stop, fine. Don't disrespect anyone. Give advice. But for a man to come out and disrespect women, it is not done. I don't like it. It is shameful. And I don't know where it be do boto. Emma, Emi no buy. Emi no buy. Ewe bona ihwedo ke hawiya. Iya kwe adie ewe bona sef. Ibi jo ba von enok be. Eva mahon ekini adodo. Ibi Ghana tin today. Eya yedo. Eva mahon ekini adodo. Ihu managiti egbiyan we igbiagia ai onona. Ihu do managiti egbiyan enino money. Oma show where you as a man supposed to call them. Yes, it's also shame on the women because we have to say the truth here. We have to be honest because where they are disrespecting women, because just like no, Omakeke is not done. You don't do it. Aya am with bomb boto. Aya am with bomb boto because a boy or man were gugua. A boy they do reply we. But who I am with buwek boto. Who I disgrace a boy. Who were they a woman we him. A woman no we him. So it's one of the reasons sometimes we have to be careful. But for me, from our men, they need to stop. They need to stop. Because emi nu we jasenji nu we tie boji, but e de amu e wani weri Emma uwe ya vie boye gbo ni. Uwe ya vie boye gbo. Because e de arimu we gari we no bo kan we mure or ne girlfriend we mure. Emma Ebo we ya ti ye gbo egbe. Ebo. Wahala wo commenters, I beg you, whenever men or women, if women are disrespecting men, don't support. The men don't support. Just tell them to stop. But when a man is disrespecting woman, especially who, you think that they gave the woman too much power because they know the suffer. Iyan suffer ni who suffer. Ebo knowledge of him iwe ohu onyamo or si odo ame agu nyan we ne ho vie mo. Onye wa knowledge of ebo we ohu onyamo. Ebo ma believe we wa go pe anyamo. Iyan we no ho vie mo because iyan we ho ni I think gba o he. Iyan we labor ya jo iyan we nyegbe ya bio. So automatically they don't disrespect women. They will listen to that woman on. Especially when I do ati anywhere or where bullying eri women ni emuhia wia eri women ni onona wia. Agbogyo you obo. No don't explain eh. So sometimes we have to respect ourselves. Especially when I ga okbiya una iga era. No hive no ho hive bienane uri ujine gboe uri ohone gboe wala wo mi no gba okpe ado amu okwere jara because if you know who ni mourir otun mourir. Why will you not disrespect that person? Emi no honi mouria iju ije no nyegbe biwe I mouria. Ede a imu ede a igbe we tu elamo gun tu elavieze ni juwe. Bon mi we mo ho vi juwe mujarane. We ti o ho vi juwe emi no wiane. We ti o ho vi juwe emi no gine no gba mekwane. E manya. E ke no we na disrespect o ho we. Eva we na disrespect ije no biwe. It's just as simple as that. Because emi no honi me no be ya bibie e iju we be me no gwere la lajan. Learn to respect people. No, anybody that will call on any social media when they are insulting women, I sure that woman, she doesn't have self-respect. Because any woman that have self-respect, we also know where. And then when they might make good comments, joy or they don't hear me. It's not good because some men they are easily provoked to insult women. It's not good. Especially Biedo. Mawame culture, but Biedo ni bu iya junu ya muawa yiho ni bu egbe social media. And then my no buy. Now do well, my people. I call it a day, yeah. I thank you all so much. Happy weekend. May I live on a morning, go on John and remaining weekend. Men, stop disrespecting women, especially you know that you have children, you have sisters, you have mother. Is a woman that gave birth to you. Respect and honor women. Don't bully them. Even if you don't like them, you don't like their way of doing things, don't bully them. Don't bully them. It's not nice. It's not nice. Thank you all so much. Good night. Evans, I greet. Now so, because man not supposed, because okbianu we okwonu we don't hear bonane, eri mi no muhi agin, eri obia, eri wana. But a dear amu we ya vigwe yo to him yo huobe ebuwa. Emi no gba nihin. Emi no gba nihin. Emi nu we wo we abi dagbo. Emi nu we wo gin bi dagbo. But e dega himu we do vigwa yo to we yi mure. Oma gba oma make sense. Let's just check it. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Or show where you as a man were to bu we ma emi nu we. Oh, na do amik beso awa wuje wo because o ka junu zan vanine. Oka you no disrespect hone. Oka you no disrespect hone. Emi no where you no pa misi kan ko ne bada. E den ai mu we agwa lo no we do fi hu yo. E manya, omagba is a bad behavior. Good night.